welcome Songbright, colorful classroom setting with animated characters Tim, Lily, and Max standing in front of a big chalkboard. Tim, excited. Hi friends, welcome to our learning adventure. Lily, cheerful. We are going to sing, dance, and learn together. Max, clapping. Are you ready? Let's start with our welcome song. Upbeat music starts and the kids sing. Verse 1. Hello, hello, how do you do? We're so happy to meet you. Clap your hands and jump up high. Let's have fun, reach for the sky. They all dance and encourage kids to follow along. ABC Alphabet Adventure. A magical book opens and the kids jump inside to explore Alphabet Land. Lily, wow, look at all these letters. Max, let's sing the ABC song. Classic ABC song plays with fun animations for each letter. Tim, pointing. A is for apple. Yummy. Lily, B is for ball. Let's bounce it. Max, C is for cat. Meow, meow. They continue through the alphabet with playful interactions. Counting with Max. Max stands on a number path and the numbers light up as he steps on them. Max, let's count from 1 to 10. Sings and jumps on each number. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, open the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, don't be late. 9, 10, let's do it again. Children follow along, counting on fingers. Colors and shapes. Song Lily paints a rainbow and different shapes appear in the sky. Lily, look, a red apple, a yellow sun, and a blue balloon. Tim, let's sing our colors and shapes song. Upbeat melody begins. Red, blue, green, and yellow. Colors make the world so bright. Circles, squares, and big triangles. Shapes are everywhere in sight. The farm animal song. The kids visit a farm and meet different animals. Tim, pointing. Look, a cow. What sound does it make? Lily and Max. Moo, moo. Sings along to the tune of Old MacDonald with various animal sounds. Good habits. Song. Kids brush teeth, wash hands, and eat healthy food. Song begins. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Make them shiny, bright, and clean. Wash, wash, wash your hands. Keep those germs away from me. Goodbye song. Back in the classroom, waving goodbye. Tim, that was so much fun. Lily, we learned so much today. Max, let's sing our goodbye song. Soft melody. Goodbye, goodbye. See you soon. We had fun learning with you. Wave your hands and don't be blue. We'll be back with more to do. Screen fades to colorful "See you next time" message.